P.S. I forgot to say this before, but we will add it on now. A lot of other women were out there saying they were going to come forward, or maybe they didn't want to be identified with things Kavanaugh did to them as well. Just like there were more women who wanted to testify that it wasn't just Anita Hill who was harassed by Clarence Thomas, but a committee chairman named Joe Biden wouldn't let them testify. Well, this time, instead of coming out with some hit piece book called The Real Anita Hill, which David Brock later totally apologized for when he went to work for the Clintons, ironically, this time, how about all these people who have been attacked all either get together or submit their story, anonymously or otherwise, for a book called The Real Brett Kavanaugh, a compilation of testimonies that is then published in the public record, in the public libraries too, where this stuff he did is never, ever gonna stop dogging him for good reason. Think about it. Also, undoubtedly they're gonna try and gut Roe v. Wade piece by piece by piece and see if they can blow up same-sex marriage as well, all for reasons of bigotry and hate, of course. Well, I've been saying for years, I'm going to say it again, don't wait to be reactive, be proactive. For years, right-wing religious extremists tried to get a constitutional amendment passed outlawing abortion. Why did it never pass? Not one state or the U.S. Senate ever approved it. Because a majority of America likes to fuck. And there will be pregnancies, and they have always been pro-choice through this whole thing. That's not going to pass. But since America is still pro-choice, a constitutional amendment guaranteeing reproductive rights for women to control their own bodies is much more likely to pass. So it's going to take a long time to get it first passed through the Senate and then out to the states, but time to start working on that now. And another constitutional amendment guaranteeing marriage equality as well. So no matter how hateful and backward and Neanderthal those 4 justices plus Clarence Peeping Thomas are, this is how to override the whole thing.